Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I'm going to discuss about next commonly used transformation. Okay, so RDD transformation, which is a map. Okay, so it's actually we are going to see with the hands-on example. Okay, so map transformation is used when you want to iterate the elements which is there in your RDD, and you get a new RDD. Okay, so that's where you use map transformation. Map transformation take element each element, and it produces same number of elements, or it same number of elements, but it can be any type. Okay, so we'll see in this example. So let me go through my code, okay, which I taken. So this is my the Scala based SBT based Scala project. Okay, so in this I have actually created a multiple object classes, Scala object classes, to run our code, okay, in different files. Okay, so in this let me open this map RDD transformation example. Okay, so let me open the program. So first I'm creating a Sparks package name, com.datamaking.apache spark 1, importing the Spark session class. After that, what I'm doing is I'm actually creating an object class called map underscore RDD underscore transform underscore Apache Spark 101 part 4. In this example, first I will create a so this is the Spark object class, sorry, Scala object class. We should have a main method so that we don't need to create an object and we can run the code which is there in the main function. So in the main method or the function, we call it as function because it's object oriented, as a function oriented comes object oriented, right? Scala. So in the function, I'm just printing the print statement, followed by I'm creating a Spark session object. Spark session object is used to connect to the Spark cluster to run the Spark API code. I'm just creating a Spark session object. I'm actually giving the master URL as local. Then I'm setting the error log level as error. I want to see only the error message, not the info logs. First I'm doing is creating a simple numbers list. Okay, so I'm generating a number 1 to 10, and then just finding the type of that object, which is numbers underscore list. After that, I want to convert this numbers list into RDD using a parallelize method. So parallelize method is part of Spark context, which is available in the Spark session object. I am actually converting this into 3 partitions. Partition is nothing but basically a horizontal distribution of your data. Then this RDD, we are going to apply the transformation called map. When you apply transformation called map, you get new RDD. So what is the function you are going to pass it to this map transformation? Always all the transformation takes input as a function and applies the function on the data which is there in the RDD and gives the new RDD. So what is the anonymous function I am passing is taking the each element and just multiplying by 5. Okay, so from sequence number 1 to 10, I take each element and then multiply to 5. Okay, so finally I'm just printing that. After that, I'm just printing that RDD, which is having a multiplication of 5 to the each number from the sequence 1 to 10. Just using the collect and action operation, I'm just collecting the value, and then using for each and print, I'm printing each value. That's what I'm doing is. Okay, so other way is to use map transformation is on the RDD of string values. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a list with the 2 element. The first element or first item is a entire like statement. It says Apache Spark is a in-memory distributed framework, and the next statement, next element in the list is Apache Hive is the distributed query engine using MapReduce. Okay, MapReduce framework. Let me say MapReduce framework. Okay, then So this list is a uh, s- contains two elements string value, right? It's the entire thing is a string, even though it's a statement, is entire is a one string. This entire value is a one string. So then we are actually converting this list into RDD using parallelize method. Now we want to iterate this element, and what is anonymous function we want to apply? Like taking each element, I want to split it by space. So what happens is this first elements get converts into array of string value. Okay, so it will return. So basically it will convert, it will take the string value and split by space, you get array. Whatever you passed a string, what you are going to get is array of string. Similarly for second item. So what this map RDD will have is RDD of two string arrays. Okay, so when you want to apply the action operation, what you will get? Array of two element. One first element is array of string, second element is array of string. So when you want to print it, first you need to apply the for each, so that the so you will be like this. You get it is uh, sorry, you get array of, again array of string, okay, comma, array of again string. This how the your value will be. Okay, so this for each is for iterating this array, you get two elements. This for each is iterating this array first time, and then next loop it will come, then it will iterate this. That's how you are printing this value. So let me run this program and show you, then you will understand more clearly. So I'm running from my IntelliJ IDE. I'm using IntelliJ IDE. So I created the dependencies in my build.sbt file. So this is the dependency I just introduced. Okay, now the program is ran. So let me show you the output. So first from 1 to 10. So if we multiply 1 with 5, 5, like 10, 2 with 5, 10. So similarly we are multiplying sequence from 1 to 10 by 5 and just displaying it here. And the next RDD what you got is, so this is splitted by space separator, right? This splitted by space. Okay, so this become Apache, Spark is one element, EASE is one element, in-memory is one element, distributed is one element, frame is one element. So that's printed first array of this array of string. The next array of string is Apache Hive is a distributed query engine using MapReduce framework. So this is how you need to use the map transformation. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Please watch my other videos in my playlist. Okay, so I have a couple of projects developed using Spark. Please go through, and if you have any doubts, please post it on the comment section of the each video. Thank you so much, friends.